Hello, in this video we are discussing about type inference in TypeScript. So what exactly type inference is? In TypeScript, a type inference is a feature that allows TypeScript compiler to automatically deduce and assign type to variable, function and expression without defining or annotating type which we want to define. Now if we take example of this one, I have this VS Code, okay, which is up and running. Now, in case of type annotation, what exactly we were doing? We were creating a variable, suppose let message, and then we were annotating them like we want to store string and it will be hello. Now, every time, whenever we are defining variable, whenever we are defining array, whenever we are defining object, now if I take another example like let ages and it will be of number array, okay. So every time we are defining those variables type array object, so we have to annotate them with what type of data we want to store. But in case of type inference is a feature which allow us that we don't have to define or we don't have to annotate them each and every time. By storing data into that variable, TypeScript will automatically know that it will be of this type. For example, in case of first example, we are annotating this one. Now I have taken another variable like names, okay, and then I'm storing hello world into that one. Both are valid syntax in TypeScript. If I hover to message, then you can see let message is of string type, and second type is type annotation. Sorry, first type is we are annotating type. In the second one, we are using type inference. Here we are not defining what type of data it is going to store, but we are storing of string type. Now if I hover to name, then TypeScript tell us that it will be of string type annotation. It is that name is using, okay. Same case will be of like is true, okay, and then we are storing boolean into that one, okay. Now if I hover to is true, then you can see let is true will be boolean annotation. So TypeScript compiler is automatically telling us that it is annotating on behalf of value we are storing. So it can be with array as well. So if I store let, okay, ages, and if I store 1 2 3, okay. Now if I hover to ages, then you can see ages will be of number array. So this is like, advanced feature, or we can say major feature in case of TypeScript, which help us to know or to write more cleaner code. Sometimes we forget to annotate any variable, function, method, and what parameter we are sending to your method or function. TypeScript will automatically annotate that on behalf of data we are sending. So it really helps us. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you all.